Sexual benefits of cucumber. Cucumber has shown to be great for sexual stamina. I was reading an article about erectile dysfunction and what things can make it better, and cucumber was on top of the list. Cucumber helps to make you last longer, and it is dubbed by some as the organic Viagra. It has other benefits as well. Apart from the above said benefits, cucumber is also great for your health in general. It is a great digestive aid and helps your digestive tract to become smoother. It is also good for removing toxins from the body. Removing these toxins from the body is also good for your sexual health, so by using cucumber you get a double whammy. How to use cucumber? You can add cucumber to your lunch with your sandwich, or just eat a bowl of green salads at night. It will do wonders to your health and you will start feeling the difference in a month or so. The miracle juice. Take a cucumber and blend it with some water and garlic cloves. The juice is not the most delicious you have ever had, but it sure is very effective. Have this twice a day for 15 days and you will start feeling as if you have put a new engine down there. I hope these tips will help you. Do you know any others effective remedies which worked for you? Please share with us. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily remedies update.